Okay guys, bear with me on this one. This is okra water. Listen, one way or another, TikTok always gets me. When I heard that it was incredible for your body, especially for the female body, I had to try it. Because it's so high in antioxidants and it has so much vitamin A and vitamin C, you're gonna see it in your skin. Your skin is gonna glow, it's gonna be brighter, it's gonna fight hyperpigmentation from the inside out, and I am all for that, you guys know. One thing in particular, which if you've been on TikTok, you know, okra water is great for lubrication for women down there. So I'm not gonna speak much on that. If you're interested in it, try it. All I know is that it works. So drinking this for about a week now, and I can honestly say my skin is brighter. It is more moisturized. That was a big thing. My skin is way more moisturized than it was. You guys know that I suffer from dry skin, especially in the winter time. But this has really helped a lot. My bloating has gone down as well. I always try to find organic if I can, and I cut the 4 or 5 pieces of okra into small pieces, dump them in a big mason jar, fill it with filtered water, and stick it in my fridge, and it's good for like 3 to 5 days. You'll see when it's ready, it gets a little bit more slimy. But yeah, try it and let me know how you like it.